Hello friends, do you want to learn data structures and algorithms through animations and implementation so that you can crack the coding interview? Hi, my name is Dinesh Varyani and I am your instructor for this course. I have over 10 years of experience as a full stack developer. Through this course and by other means, I have helped over thousands of students just like you to improve on data structures and algorithms. So through this course you will learn about singly linked list, doubly linked list, circular singly linked list, arrays, stacks, queues, binary tree, binary heaps, graphs, matrix, tries, we will also look into its implementation by coding the algorithm in IDE. And what else? You will get much more than that through this course. So friends, what are you waiting for? You can go to this playlist link provided in the description of the video, where you will find all the videos that are part of this course. I update this playlist daily. So the only help I need from you is, in case you like any of these videos, then please share this playlist with your friends and colleagues. And please subscribe to my channel. It will only motivate me to add more and more videos into this playlist. So friends, let's move ahead and begin this course. Thanks, have a nice day.